So guys, welcome back. Oh, say hi, Max. Hi. All right. So if you guys are in my class, you know I put Max over to say hi. So say hi, Max. Hi. And today I'm gonna be unboxing this Clawee thing. I won this thing from the Clawee app. Let's see what it is. I'm gonna put Max right here. I'm just gonna put him in my lap. Mm. 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 Bam. Bam. Mm. Oh wait, I think I got it. Yep, okay, it's gonna bam. Bam. Oh. Oh, guys, look. This is it. This sheet. Let me know what comment down below. There this is. So we got the. Oh, see, I knew this was gonna come. We got these Snail. So we got these. These are tea bag holders. So we're gonna open these. I actually have some scissors at home. Max used it. Oh, yeah. Here my scissors I have. And then I'm just gonna be cutting this off. I'll be careful not to do the okay. So unfortunately Max cannot stand, but I will use this thing to hold Max up. Look. Oh yes, you don't need to keep it like this. So what we're gonna do is that look at that. Alright, so what we're gonna do is that Max is gonna be right here and I'm just gonna use my knee to hold it. Okay. Alright, so that way Max is saying, hey guys, smash the like button for me, and I'm just gonna unbox these. Alright, so anyways, Max is gonna be back, and anyways, here are the tea bag holders I have. So, actually, you know what? So we got yellow. So if you guys want to get these, play a Clawee, and it's called Snail tea bag holders. You'll get these tea bag holders. Look at the pink. Look at the pink. Yay! Alright, so we got the tea bag holders, and then I don't know if these guys can stick. Yeah, it can stick. These are tea bag holders. So, oh yeah, they can stick on the middle. So I'm just gonna. Alright, so guys, if you guys enjoyed this video, I think my favorite one's the pink. So guys, if the comments are on, leave me a comment down below what's your favorite. Okay. Anyway, so guys, we're gonna end this video here. Anyways, bye guys. Oh, say bye, Max. Bye. Bye.